The international community has welcomed the signing of the ceasefire agreement between South Sudan's warring factions. African Union Commission Chairperson Nkosazana Dlamini Zuma commended the parties for the spirit of compromise it demonstrated. She urged the two sides to faithfully and fully implement the commitments made. The United States also welcomed the deal, saying it represents a critical first step toward building lasting peace. The European Union, in reaction, said the killings must now end, while the United Nations encouraged both government and rebel forces to build towards comprehensive reconciliation.
Council members condemned the violent attacks on the civilians and vulnerable groups and called for accountability for those that committed such acts. The members also condemned the attacks and accusations mounted against UNMISS and called for all parties to stop such acts and cooperate with UNMISS in the fulfillment of its mandate.